Welcome! This video will show you how to book your ground transportation online for Senator Puerto Plata. Follow these steps and ensure a worry-free transfer. Step 1. Enter the service information. 1. Access the website and select the type of trip you want to book. You have 3 options: round trip, arrival only, departure only. 2. Select your destination. Choose the Dominican Republic and then the Senator Puerto Plata Hotel. 3. Select your arrival airport carefully. You have 3 options. Please check your plane ticket and choose the correct airport. This will avoid any last-minute inconveniences. For Puerto Plata, select Gregorio Luperón International Airport, POP. For Santiago de los Caballeros, select Chibao International Airport, STI. For Santo Domingo, select Las Americas International Airport, SDQ. 4. Select the arrival and/or departure date, depending on the type of trip you have chosen. 5. Indicate the number of adult and child passengers using the transport. If you need a baby seat, select how many you need. 6. Click on Search. The available transportation options will appear at the bottom of the page. Step 2. Choose your type of transportation. Select the type of transport according to your needs. Private, up to 6 passengers. Luxury transport, up to 4 passengers. Private, up to 22 passengers. The corresponding costs will be displayed based on the type of trip, the selected airport, and the chosen mode of transportation. Step 3. Enter your reservation information. 1. Enter your arrival and/or departure flight details as applicable. 2. Complete your personal information: first name, last name, email address, phone number. 3. Carefully review all the information entered, including the total cost of the reservation, and check the confirmation box. 4. Once you have confirmed all the information, click on Book Now and proceed with the payment. You will receive a confirmation receipt in your email. Thank you for choosing Senator Puerto Plata, and we wish you an excellent trip.